I'm Baris Duyar, and this is CMP501 Network Game Development Assessment video. So, first of all, I'm going to show you the left screen, and after that, I'm going to go into the right screen. These are from separate machines, from two machines simultaneously. I have recorded them simultaneously, so I'm going to show you step by step for demonstration my application. So I'm going to show you the left side first. As you can see, when we run game server project, the window appears on the screen and it shows local IP address, port, and also public IP address. And after that, we are going to go to client code and run it. And after that, a window appears again, and we need to put local IP address to here. And when we push the enter, the game begins, and console shows us some info about IPs and ping values, like for MS, for checking lag situations, and also active players, and also spectator status. Because, you know, one player is actually playing the game, the first client, but other client is watching the first player's actions. Okay, let's take a look at from the beginning. When we go to the game screen, we push play button and one player option, and we can see 4 robots, also characters here, and we need to select at least 2 characters from this screen. And when we select second character, there's gonna appear a begin option, and we need, and when we push the begin button, there is a matchmaking screen. So when we push the start button, we are gonna go into the in-game screen. So this is the beginning of the in-game area. This map actually creates randomly. As you can see, there are a lot of obstacles, walls, and enemy bases, and also enemies. Enemies spawns from their enemy bases. So there's a player one, and also there's an ally AI here. This AI supports us during the game. So let's look at the other client sites, because it's gonna watch the player's movements and all actions, of course. As you can see, he wrote the same IP address on the window. This is a separate machine, as I said before. And the game begins with the play button. Yeah, I'm gonna show you some information like before: ping and player count, and also spectator status. As you can see, again, we need to select one player option and also 2 characters. And this time we need to press the spectate button, because this client here for just spectating. Okay. As you can see, the maps are identical, like obstacles, walls, and enemy bases are identical. Enemies are not identical because there is a lack of position information on that site, on that logic. I need to improve that site. But I'm gonna show you the player and AI movements and also health status and also some bullets. Okay, I'm gonna play both of them simultaneously right now because I have done this before on the two machines separately, but at the same time. So wait a minute. Okay, as you can see, player moves players like this. AI follows the player and player change their position. Player shoots and AI shoots. There's a there is an issue with the bullet movements, but I can improve this one as well. But as you can see, health status changes and also movements are accurate and syncing both of the machines. Yeah, this is it actually for the positions and health status, and also map generation is the same because I have transferred map positions like obstacle positions and also enemy positions between clients. So let's look at other side. Let's look at here. uh, I'm gonna show you prediction and interpolation stuff from the compiler actually. I'm gonna start firstly server side and I'm copying the local IP address and then I'm starting the first client and putting the IP address. As you can see, there are some info about player count and also spectator status and also ping, MS and lag info. So let's start the game. Okay, this is the map, initial map. So let's start the second client with the same IP. And this time I'm gonna choose spectate. As you can see, the same server, same network. Okay, and again you can see spectator status. The second client is spectator, and the first one is player, and also ping status and IP information here. So let's look at the spectator client. There is an MS info here because I'm gonna change it from here and we are gonna see some differences on the screen. This is a button actually. When I change this, it increases per turn like this. So let's move the objects here and let's look at here. As you can see, it's thinking even if lag situations. I'm gonna increase a lot. And also, as you can see, on high lag situation, there's some jumps. I need to improve for the smoothness, of course. Okay. Let's see this movement. As you can see. So, and also finally, there's a there was a window for the server side, and I put the positions for the both clients on the screen, and also IP and port information here. And that's it. Thank you for watching.